Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The best day ever yesterday. We are back here at Magic Kingdom and it's that decision time again. The decision is ferryboat or monorail. Monorail or ferryboat. Ferryboat, monorail. Which one should we do?
This way! That's the way across.
Looks like we're going to monorail as it's the fastest way across. So it was monorail or ferryboat, but now there is a new option. Now you can almost get a bus direct to Magic Kingdom. So to the right of the side of the monorail, these are the buses, and this is where we're going today. So we'll let you know how that goes. So if you can now get from the transportation centre, you can catch a bus that takes you to the doors of Magic Kingdom. So another option for you. That was the bus route done. I think it was quite quick actually. I think we did quite well there, only 5 minutes. I think it's faster than the monorail and faster than the boat. So a good option, a good third option from Disney. They're well done. Because last year once it took about an hour and a half to get across. Today 15 minutes, done and dusted, on our way to Libertry Tree Tavern for some Thanksgiving food. That was Earth Day.
Thanks everybody. How about a hand for the other three guys, huh? That's pretty close. Alright, it's shine time, here we go!
Welcome back to Magic Kingdom.
Folks, when I say hey, you all stand left. Let's try that again.
There's the stage show still going on. Bit of Mickey Mouse and a bit of Frozen.
From the moment I heard your story, I admired you both so much. Oh, I wish I could.
Disney's a lot of things today. One of them is not Frozen. Anyway, we're off to get a disability pass for Matthew and the Seven Dwarfs. Then we're on Haunted Mansion. Then we're going for Thanksgiving meal at Libertry Tree Tavern, which is always very, very nice. They are crackers, them two. I thought I had two crazy sisters till I met them two. Only joking, Sharon and Louise. So it's Sunday, the 19th of August, midday. How long do you think the standby is going to be, Laura?
80 minutes.
80 minutes. I'm going to go for 70. Who's going to be closest? Who's going to be closest? Oh, unbelievable. It's 80 minutes. Well done, Lauren.
Professional.
Well done. So we've got a disability time for 1:30, which means we don't have to stop in the queue. We'll line up virtually so we can do other things now, because Matthew just couldn't line up in the queue for an hour and a half for a ride. So they give us a time when we return, and then we go through the fast pass route, and it works really, really well for people with disabilities.
To find a way out.
With your tambourine.
Haunted Mansion done. Now off to Libertry Tree Tavern. I cannot tell you today how warm it is. The air conditioning Libertry Tree is going to be worth its weight in gold. Not to mention all the food as well. Lovely. We've got gravy, we've got mac and cheese, we've got lots of scrumptiousness meats, and we've got some green peas, and then we've got a very happy little boy. Matthew loves this kind of food. Is that nice, Matthew? And because it's buffet, Matthew's just finished it. He said more. We can have some more, and when it's all gone, we get more. This is Matthew's favourite meal of the holiday. He wants his green beans, Matthew, and this will be his third plate full. He loves this. The only thing we don't really like is the macaroni cheese. And there's a lad who knows what he wants. Whereas me and Lauren are saving ourselves for pudding. It's ooey gooey sweet time. All that ice cream and different sauce and chocolate chips on top of a cookie. Woohoo! Operation Clean Up Disney Parade. Within seconds of the parade going past, it's spotlessly clean.
Pretty good soldier boy, pretty good soldier boy. How do you do? My pleasure greetings, how do you do? Say it with me. What you gonna be in my rat? What you doing?
So we've done our lunch in Libertry Tree Tavern. It was all your mashed potato, it was turkey, beef and pork. The food is excellent. It's the one place we go where Matthew always gets his money's worth, which is always good. In fact, he had 3 plates worth, which was really good. The bill was about $37 each plus tax, less our annual pass discount. I'll put a copy of the bill up somewhere around here. But then we'll have plenty to eat. It's all your food you can eat, it's all the drinks you can eat. Did you enjoy it, Lauren?
Yeah.
What was the favourite bit?
Dessert.
Dessert? What's it called?
Ooey gooey.
Ooey gooey chocolatey cookie, yeah. But it was not very good for Slimmer's World, let's just say that. But it was very good. Then we've been on Splash Mountain, which was good because it was brought last night when we did the 3 mountain challenge. We've done the 7th Dwarf ride, and now we're going to Space Mountain. Might do a couple more rides, and we're going to head back to the pool. So we're done for the rides for today. We're at the back of the park, and rather than walking all the way around the park, we're now going to catch the Disney Express or Disney World Railway and get off at Main Street, go and find the car and head back to the pool. This will be much easier than walking when the weather's like this.
Please watch your head step as you exit.
after a fun few hours around Magic Kingdom on lots of rides and lots of food, there's only one thing to do. What is it, Laura?
Go to the pool.
What is it, Matthew?
Matthew, what do you want to do now?
So let's go to the pool. Say pool then. Pool P-Star. We'll see you at the pool. Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom.